It was on Wednesday morning, April 5th, 2023, at Asaba Airport. Mr. Peter Obi had just arrived and was stepping out of the airport to head for his vehicle when he noticed an elderly man sitting by the corner looking depressed. The elderly man, he's 95 years, was heading to Abuja for his medical checkup. Unfortunately, his flight was cancelled and he was rescheduled for an evening flight, meaning he will spend many excruciating hours on the wheelchair before he gets the chance to fly. Assuming the flight wasn't cancelled again, that is, if the flight won't be cancelled again, filled with love and understanding of the delicate situation, Peter Obi immediately arranged for the man to fly in a private jet. A private jet that was leaving for Abuja at that moment so he could meet up with his medical appointment. The elderly man, as you would see in the video, didn't stop praying for Mr. Obi. His family members didn't stop appreciating Mr. Obi, and all who witnessed the event never stopped admiring Mr. Obi. This man is an exceptional man. I mean, at this point, the election is over. He isn't canvassing for votes, so this is just who he is. Yeah, I hope he must reclaim his mandate, please. I want to be positive.
There are many now. No, there are many. Not doing it. You want to? Give me one. Give me.
As part of his commitment towards supporting the education sector, Peter Obi was in Paul University, Oka, where he donated money to be used to support the sector, the education, the university, and also he was at Regina Cheli Hospital, Oka, where he donated money to be used to support healthcare delivery. See, this man is an angel. This man is an angel.